Hi there, this is Poppin PJ, your crafting night owl. And yes, it is dark outside, so guess what? I decided I wanted to make some Crackle painted pumpkins. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. It's super fun, super easy, as really there is no skill required other than being able to apply some glue and paint. I love a budget-friendly craft, and I got these pumpkins on super sale clearance at the end of the year last year at Michael's. I'm going to take this brown paint that you see here, put it in a little bowl, and I'm going to just apply this paint right onto our pumpkin, just getting it coated nicely. This is my first coat, but I will be putting 2 coats on the pumpkin. All right, we have our chocolate pumpkin. Now we just need to sit it down and let it dry. Oh yeah, I did a baby pumpkin too. Here it is. We are now going to just take some Elmer's glue. The easiest way is to open the top so you can get a good bit out. I'm placing it in this little paper bowl, as you can see here. I am using a sponge brush to just apply this glue onto the top of our pumpkin, just getting a nice heavy coat on the entire outside of our pumpkins. It looks like icing on some type of baked product, a muffin or something like that. That's what it makes me think of. I just love this crackling technique, as I've done it on many different things, not just these pumpkins, but I've done it on wood projects. Now I am just squeezing out some orange paint into a recycled microwave dinner container, and I am applying the paint just on top of the glue. You don't want to mix it in, you want to coat the paint on top of the Elmer's glue. That's how you will get the crackling effect. This technique is so satisfying to do because number one, you don't have to really paint very well. You're just coating the top of the glue, but the outcome looks great. Our pumpkin is nicely coated, as you can see here, so we will let it dry. Look how fabulous our fall pumpkins look with the crackling technique. They are just beautiful. Here you can see I put 3 together. I have to say, budget-friendly crafting is poppin'.